Hi. So for question 4a, we've been told, given that a equals 4 sec x, b equals cos x, and c equals cot x, express b in terms of a. Okay, so what we've been asked to do is to generate an identity b in terms of a. Okay, and we've been given a, b, and c here. Okay, so how do we relate a and b? Well, you should see that a involves sec and b involves cos. So you should be familiar with this identity here, Q layer 1. So you should know that sec x is identical to 1 over cos x. Okay? So we can write that here. Sec x is identical to 1 over cos x. Okay, so essentially what we're going to do is rearrange for sec x in this equation and substitute it into our identity and do the same for b. Okay, so over here I'm going to write out this one again, a equals 4 sec x, and I'm going to rearrange to get sec x. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and you should find that a over 4 is equal to sec x. Okay, and we know that b is equal to cos x, so I can simply substitute both of these in to my identity. So sec x is the same as a over 4, and that is identical to 1 over cos x, and I know cos x is b from the information I've been given in the question, so this is identical to 1 over b. Okay, so question is nearly done now. All I need to do is multiply both sides by 4 and multiply both sides by b. So you should get the result AB is identical to 4. Okay. Now the question has asked us to express b in terms of a. Okay, so that means they want b by itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is divide by a in order to rearrange to get b. So you should find that b is identical to 4 over a. Okay, and now I've expressed b in terms of a. Okay, so thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.